Hi everyone, this is Sherry Hemingway. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thanks so much for being here. In today's video, we're going to make a laundry detergent that is non-toxic. So about 2 years ago, I made a video with homemade laundry detergent, and it's an excellent recipe. But if you have family members like I do that have sensitive skin, then this is the recipe for you. It's safe for your skin and safe for your HE washing machines. Also, have you ever looked at the back of laundry soap? Look at the ingredients. Like, it is loaded with toxic ingredients that aren't good for you. This recipe only has 4 clean ingredients. It's easier on your budget as well. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, here are the ingredients that you're going to need for this recipe. So just the pure baking soda, the super washing soda, Epsom salt, which get the no-name brand of Epsom salt. That's the best. And then whatever essential oil scent that you like. I really love the peppermint. Like, peppermint smells make me so happy. So this is my favorite. But you can add whatever you like. You can add lavender, you can add vanilla, whatever. But this also makes it smell extra clean. So those are the 4 ingredients that you're going to need for this recipe. Okay, so the first thing we're going to add is this super washing soda. So you need 1.5 cups of this. So there's one. And a half. Then you'll need 1.5 cups of baking soda. Then you'll need 1/2 cup of the Epsom salt. This one's kind of hard to get out. Okay. And then whatever essential oil that you choose, you need 40 drops. And then you'll just mix this all together. So that's it. If you want to make a small batch of this laundry soap, that's all it takes. But I usually quadruple this recipe. Down in the description box, I'll give you the recipe for this, and I'll also give you the recipe for if you want to triple or whatever. So just stir this up really, really well. Make sure you get rid of any little clumps. Oh, it smells so good. I love peppermint. And then that is it. So like I said, this makes a really, a smaller batch. But if you want to make a large batch, just triple or quadruple the recipe. I'll show you what I like to store this in and also how to measure it. Okay, so this is what I like to store my laundry soap in. So when you get your load or your detergent finished, you'll just pour it in a larger container. And then this is the scoop that I use. It's a 2 tablespoon scoop. I actually found this in one of my hot cocoa mixes, so I just reused it. But if you don't have one of these, you can just use a measuring spoon. It'll take about 2 tablespoons for a half a load, and then 4 tablespoons for a full load. So I just use 1 or 2 of these scoops, and it works perfectly. I'll have those measurements down in the description box below. But go ahead and leave me a comment if you try this recipe. I think you'll love it. So let me know.